Receiving schools, here is a reference for today's lesson. Your strand, substrand, outcome, topic, materials, and your reference.
All right, in our previous lesson, HCs and receiving students, like I told you, that we were just going through the skills, okay? Skills or mapping skills, some of the skills that you will find in your exams, all right? Especially grade 8, it's very important. So not yesterday, but in our previous lesson, we looked at directions, just a little bit on directions, latitudes, yes, latitudes and longitudes, and also a little bit on grid reference. Okay, what type of grid reference? Four figure references. Okay. All right, before we go on to our topic on graphs, okay, we'll have a short quiz. Okay, a short quiz. Group 1, are you ready? Receiving students, group 1, get ready to answer this question. All right, so receiving students, please. All right, in your groups, I'll give you a question and you answer. All right, 2 minutes. Okay, just 2 minutes. If you don't give the answer, we ask the next group. All right, group 1. Okay, you others listen. Who is the president of the autonomous government of Bougainville? Receiving students. Okay, don't call out the answer. All right. Let them answer themselves. Receiving students. Again, who is the president of the autonomous government of Bougainville? Okay, group 1. Yes, Zimalin?
Joseph Kabui.
You others agree with her answer, group 1's answer? Joseph Kabui. Okay, very good. Okay, Joseph Kabui is the president of the autonomous government of Bougainville. Okay, very good. Group 1, 2 points. Group 2. Group 2. All right, group 2's question, you others listen. Name the Australian captive, okay, that was held hostage by the Iraqis. Yeah. Name the Australian man or hostage. Name the Australian man who was held hostage or held by the Iraqis and was released later on. He's now with his family in Australia. Okay, group 2, that's your question. Can you give me the name of that Australian man? 2 minutes. Receiving students. Okay, you don't call out the answer. Let them.
Douglas Wood.
Again, Celestine?
Wood.
Okay, Douglas Woods. Very good. Okay, 2 points. Group 1, 2. Group 2, 2 points. Okay, group 3. All right, group 3. Who is the governor of Medang province? The governor of Medang province receiving students. Okay, netizen.
Sir Peter Bata.
Sir Peter Bata. No. One more try. One more. Don't call out the answer if you know. The governor for Medang province. Receiving students. I hope you others have got the answer to this question here. Okay. Group 4. Group 4. Can you give us the answer, please?
James Yali.
Yes. Okay, the governor for Medang province, James Yali. Okay. All right, so group 4, you have 1 point. Okay. So 2, 2, and 1. Okay, group 4, your question. All right, who is the member of parliament or the MP for the South Fly? Member of parliament for the South Fly. All right, receiving students. Who is the member of parliament for the South Fly? Group 7, have you got your answer? Have you got the answer to this question? Okay, again, who is the member of parliament, MP for the South Fly? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes up. All right, Paulus.
Roy Biama.
No. Thank you. Good try. Receiving students, good try. All right, who, time up. Who knows the answer? Or group 5? You got the answer to the question?
Dr. Bob Danaya.
No. Okay, we'll have group 2. Group 3, sorry.
Honorable.
Good try. No. Anyone? Okay. He is Mr. Conrad Hoada. Okay. Mr. Conrad Hoada. Okay, MP for the South Fly. All right. Okay, next group, next question. Okay, so you 1 point, left with 1. Okay, group 5. All right, which superstar, okay, was found not guilty after being accused of, child molesting? Okay, receiving students.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Okay. Okay, group 6. Group 6. Okay, yesterday in the, I think, the session, okay, in Parliament, there was a member who had to reconstruct his question again to the Prime Minister. And the speaker had to stop him, or had told him to reword, I think, or his question again to the Prime Minister. Who was that member? Okay, there was some questions or some allegations made against the Prime Minister by that member, and the speaker had to stop, during the session, had to stop and tell him, this member, to put the question again in the, I think, the right form, yeah. So who was that member? Come on, you're supposed to be reading newspapers and watching the news instead of watching movies. That's group 6. Okay, Teddy.
Tim Neville. Tim Neville.
Tim Neville, yes. Okay, Tim Neville. All right, group 7. All right, group 7. Who is the chairman of the PNG Rugby Football League? Sports. Group 7. Who is the chairman of the rugby, football league. Receiving students? Okay, please don't call out your answers. Don't call out your answers. Group 7, you're going to answer that question yourself. Okay, the chairman of the PNG Rugby Football League. Yes.
Sasok.
Okay.
Say agora. If you say agora. If you say agora, just talk. Right, talk. Yeah.
Ifisiagoro.
Again, Sandra.
Ifisiagoro.
Good try. No. Okay, are you going to give one more try or you one more guess? Oh, 2 minutes is nearly. I think it's up already. Okay. All right, 2 minutes up there. Okay. Okay, group 2. Group 3. Okay, we'll try you.
Bob Bennett.
Sorry?
Bob Bennett.
Bob Bennett. No. Okay. Okay, group 1.
Solomon Ravu.
No. Okay, group 4. Yeah, 1 point.
Say Bob Sinclair.
Yes. Sir Bob Sinclair. Okay. Okay, 8Cs, that's enough receiving students. All right, can I have everyone to look up here, please? Everyone? Okay, sitting up straight, please put away whatever that you're doing. Anderson. Group 7. Okay. Like I said, all right. for this topic. Okay, we'll go through the, here our topic here is on graphs, okay? Rainfall graphs, column graphs, and so forth. Okay. All right, I have a table here and I don't think it's clear. Right, you can't see from the back. No. Can you see from the back? Donovan, can you see from the back? No. Okay, HCs, please look up here. All right. Okay, if you cannot see from the back, all right, this table here, it shows the data, okay, or the figures, monthly figures for the rainfall and what temperature, rainfall readings and temperature readings. Okay, this data, okay, or these readings here is for a country, not a country, but a place in Australia, Western Australia. Okay? Hey, everyone listening to me? Who's not concentrating, please? Again, this data here, please everyone look up here. The data, okay, shows the rainfall measurements and the temperature readings. Okay, for a country, not a country, but a place in Australia, Western Australia, all right, but called Broome, B-R-O-O-M-E, okay? All right, we have the rainfall readings and the temperature readings. Rainfall readings is measured in what? Centimeters? Millimeters. Okay, temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Okay, how many months do I have here? Okay, January to December, 12 months. All right, I don't have the rainfall graph and the temperature graph or the line graph, okay? So you're just going from this table here, all right? From that table, we're just gonna go, you're going to go through the questions, okay? But it looks like I have to put one up here, and it's not clear for you. You cannot see from the back. It says you understand. Rose. Okay, please, can I have Caroline? Can you come up quickly? Here, come up quickly and write this up here on the board. Hurry up. Caroline and Daphne, quickly. Just do this one here on the board. Okay, you don't have to be exact, but just write month, rainfall, temperature. Okay, yeah. That's okay. Oh, do you have a ruler there? Okay. Just write month. Okay. Write month, rainfall, and temperature. Yeah. Okay. Write the months. Write the months. Yep. Do the rainfall. Rainfall. You put rainfall here. Cannot reach. You cannot reach? Wait, I'll do it for you. And then, okay. Here, Netizen, quickly. Come and do this. Temperature, please. Can it be in line, please, with this? Temperature. Temperature. Yeah, 99. Good one.
18, 1-8, 18. 23, 5, 5,
Wait, can you put your straight or? Okay. Yeah. 147. It's okay. 99, 18. Where's yours? Definitely is inline. Yeah, inline. It's okay. 15. Yeah, it's too small. Medicine? Medicine. It's not in line. Definitely December 84. Yeah. In December 84. That's better.
Okay, 30, 30, 30, 29, 21, 22,
August 22. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Twenty-one, 22, 25, 28, 29, 30, 30. Whatever. Okay, hey. Eighties. Can you look up here? Those of you, some of you are copying, some of you are not copying the table down. Okay, anyway, like I said, receiving students. All right, you have the data, you have the rainfall readings and temperature readings, okay? All right, question number 1. Which is the wettest month, okay? By looking at your data, the table, which is the wettest month in Broome? All right, remember these data readings, okay? Oh, yeah, this data here shows the temperature and rainfall readings for a place in Broome, okay? That's in Western Australia. Which is the wettest month in Broome? Right, if you have a look here, receiving students, which is the wettest month? Okay, anyone? Umba? The wettest month? Okay, pass the mic. All right.
January.
Okay, very good. Wettest month in, okay, the wettest month in Broome was January, which had the highest rainfall measurement, 160 millimeters. Whereas the others, you see, the highest rainfall measurement was in January, 160 millimeters. So that means the wettest month was January, okay? All right, receiving students? Okay, that's a simple question. Number 2, in one of your, one of the questions in your exam paper, you might find what is the temperature range, okay? What is the temperature range of Broome? All right, what are you going to do? What is the temperature range of Broome? Receiving students? I remember giving you this, one of the worksheets, in one of the worksheets, one of these questions. Okay, you're not going to add, but you are going to subtract the highest reading, okay, highest temperature reading from the lowest temperature reading. Okay, if you want to get the temperature range, all right, you get the, subtract the highest temperature reading from the lowest temperature reading. That's how you get the temperature range. Okay, again, temperature range, all right, okay, you subtract all right, subtract the highest reading from the lowest. And then you get your temperature range. So the temperature range for Broome is 9 degrees Celsius. Huh? Because, okay, let's see, 30, the highest is 30 minus, what's the lowest? 21. So 30 minus 21 gives you 9 degrees Celsius. So the temperature range, receiving students, is 9 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if you have any question like this in your paper, all right, you know, temperature range, oh, okay, so I have to subtract the highest reading from the lowest reading. Right, receiving students and 8Cs? Okay, the next question. All right, what is the highest monthly temperature for Broome and which month does it occur? The highest monthly temperature. In which months, yeah, it should be which months do they occur? The highest, we have how many? How many months? 3 months, huh? Okay, we have January with 30 degrees Celsius, February 30, and December. So January, February, December, 3 months with the highest temperature readings. Okay, receiving students? So the simple question. What was the lowest monthly temperature for Broome? The lowest monthly temperature? Okay, the lowest was 21 degrees Celsius and it occurred in July. Yes? June, July. Right? Okay. So it's just that. I hope HCs and receiving students, I hope you just understood what we just went through. Again, temperature range, subtract the highest reading from the lowest reading. And you must look at the temperature, don't look at the rainfall. If it's asking for rainfall, okay, you look at the rainfall figures. If it's asking for temperature, you look at the temperature figures. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you, HCs and receiving students. And but please, receiving teachers, can you copy this one down? All right, receiving teachers, you copy this one down and later you can put it on a chart for your students to copy and also the questions that we just gave out. All right, that brings us to the end of our lesson, HCs and receiving students and teachers. Thank you for listening. And receiving teachers, our keyword for today is graph. Okay, good morning, HCs and receiving students and teachers. And thank you for listening.
Teachers, here is your reference for the next lesson. Your strand, substrand, outcome, the topic, materials, and your reference.